Years old, I weigh 215 pounds. I'm in great shape. He's 19 years old. He has so much stuff to do. Let me go. I couldn't live with myself now. I'll stay here as long as possible. But if I have to go, because I didn't lose the pounds I was supposed to, that's just like anybody else in the show.
But in the end, he let me go.
Always. We'll do this as best we can.
Tonight, you're switching trainers. Everything the contestants have done. Oh, that's the great. Oh, literally, what's crap? The full house is
Goodness, really? Mama.
Love it, no! No excuses. Come here! This week's excuse. I can't get out of my comfort zone.
Okay, she wants to come back.
She's so lazy. I'm gonna record this and put on funny videos.
I've never felt like I would be the one still here. That I always felt like he was, there would be a point that I would go home and be the guy here. It's just
Squishy thing.
because of this.
That's it? You're not gonna do any more?
Basic.